Welcome to the second round of November's free assets. This time, you're getting access to assets worth nearly $500. Let's not keep you waiting, let's jump right in and take a closer look. Let's dive into the incredible stylized Fantasy Creatures bundle, a collection that will breathe life into your fantasy worlds. This bundle is packed with beautifully crafted creatures, designed for first-person and third-person perspectives. It's a perfect fit for any stylized or fantasy game. Let's go through each creature and imagine the possibilities. Warring Dinosaur, a prehistoric giant, roaring with raw power and perfect for thrilling chases or epic battles. Wolf, sleek and cunning, these predators can roam the forests as hunters or loyal companions. Boar, a wild and untamed force, ideal for forest settings or a rugged survival scenario. Bear, towering and fierce, the bear adds a sense of danger and grandeur to any wilderness. Goat, agile and full of personality, these mountain climbers are perfect for rural or hilly landscapes. Tiger, with its majestic stripes and deadly grace, the tiger is a symbol of power and mystery. Forest spider, creepy and crawling, these spiders spin webs and create suspense in dense, dark woods. Forest bat, mysterious and silent, bats bring an eerie vibe to caves and nighttime adventures. Forest wasp, small but dangerous, these buzzing insects add chaotic energy to any scene. Snake, slithering and stealthy, snakes are perfect for ambushes or jungle environments. Turtle, slow but sturdy, turtles add charm and tranquility, or even serve as allies in a water-based adventure. Crocodile, lurking just below the water's surface, crocodiles deliver tension and surprise in any swamp or river. Hermit crab, unique and quirky, these little creatures are full of character and fit well in coastal areas. Snail, slow-moving yet fascinating, snails add whimsy and detail to serene or magical environments. Toad, a classic forest inhabitant, perfect for adding a touch of realism or magical charm. Eagle, majestic and soaring, eagles bring a sense of freedom and grandeur to open skies. Cow, a farmyard favorite, bringing warmth and familiarity to rural or village settings. Pig, cute and playful, pigs add life to farmlands or light-hearted moments in your game. Chicken, a staple of any farm, these little birds can be used for humor or practical interactions. Sheep bring a peaceful charm to grassy fields and meadows. Cat, graceful and sneaky, cats add elegance and mystery, whether as companions or independent roamers. Each of these creatures comes with customizable materials for unique appearances and smooth animations that make them feel truly alive. Whether you need a ferocious predator, a playful farm animal, or a mystical forest dweller, this bundle has you covered. From ancient jungles to peaceful villages, these creatures will transform your game into a vibrant, living world. Get ready to step into a world of mysticism and grandeur with the Temple of the Dragon. This stunning asset is a true masterpiece, designed to elevate your Unreal Engine projects to new heights. With its breathtaking visuals and cutting-edge features, it's perfect for creating mythical worlds full of secrets, challenges, and ancient glory. Let's dive into what makes this pack truly magical. Dragon Face, built for Unreal Engine 5. Crafted specifically for UE5, this map takes full advantage of Lumen and Nanite, delivering dynamic lighting and exceptional detail that make your scenes come alive. Dragon Face Modular Design. Unleash your creativity by building your own temples, cathedrals, and anything in between. With a fully modular setup, you have endless possibilities to shape your vision, creating mesmerizing light effects that will leave your players in awe. Dragon Face, optimized for performance. Even with its incredible visuals, the map is highly optimized, running at approximately 100 FPS on an RTX 3070 Ti at 1440p. It's designed to look amazing, without compromising performance. This isn't just an asset, it's a gateway to building epic adventures. Imagine your players exploring grand temples, solving puzzles in ancient ruins, or standing in awe of the light streaming through stained glass windows. So why wait? Grab the Temple of the Dragon today, unlock your free modular desert town, and start crafting unforgettable experiences. Tired of searching for high-quality ancient constructions that truly meet your expectations? Stop scrolling, you've found the perfect solution. This pack includes 10 stunning ancient constructions and platforms, ideal for AAA quality productions. Designed with care and precision, these models ensure both high-poly detail for close-ups and excellent optimization with 3 to 4 LODs per object for seamless performance in games. All materials are tiled and seamless, so you can easily customize with your own or Quixel materials to create a unique look. Whether it's for breathtaking cinematic shots or immersive gameplay, These assets deliver cutting-edge quality that makes your hard work shine. Don't settle for less, elevate your project with these exceptional assets. I hope today's asset was helpful to you. Are there any other assets you would like to see? If you're looking for an inventory tutorial, feel free to check out my channel, there's one available there. Wishing you a wonderful rest of November, and I look forward to seeing you again in 2 weeks. Until then.